Hey, we're going to talk today about the number one tactic you can use to get people sold. The number one thing that gets your buyers over the line and closed. That is a demo. But why is a demo so important? What makes it the number one? Let's dive in. Hey, I'm Matt Wolach, and I help software leaders achieve incredible close rates through an amazing sales process and a really impactful demo. But what makes a demo so impactful? What makes the demo the most important thing that you can do? Why is a demo so important as part of your sales process? Well, it really is. I talked with Chad Stewart. He is a professional software buyer. All he does is buy software products. Big companies, large enterprises hire him to go out and buy all their software for him because he knows exactly how to do it in the best way. And I asked him, hey Chad, why is a demo so important? Or is a demo actually important? And he said, you know what, Matt? The demo is the number one most important thing. He said other things might fall off, something might not be perfect, but if you have an amazing demo, that can absolutely get a deal closed. It creates so much power and impact within your process. So to hear that was really good. But why is it so important? Why is it the number one thing? Well, for this, I take you to a quote from Antonio Damasio. He said, "We are not thinking machines who feel. We are feeling machines who think." So that's really important because a demo is all about emotion. You have got to get your buyers emotional. We don't think more than we feel more than we think. So if that's the case, your sales process, your marketing process, sales process, and your demo should be all about emotion. Your entire process of getting your buyers from zero to sold is about how can you get them emotional about their current situation, really hating it, really emotional about what could happen, the desire that they can feel for the solution, probably your solution. All you can do to generate as much emotion as possible will lead to action. It's going to lead to closed deals. And the best way to get them emotional is through your demo. In your demo, you can really start pulling the levers of emotion, really start pulling the strings, get them hating what they're currently doing, get them yearning and longing for what you can solve, what you can deliver. And if you can do all those things, then you are going to get a lot of closed deals. And the demo is the easiest way to do that. So you've got to have an amazingly impactful demo, an amazingly important demo, such that you know it is going to get them closed. You know it is going to get them needing your solution and them wanting to take action. That is why a demo is so important, because it is the best way to get people emotional. Can they get emotional reading a blog post? Can they get emotional reading your website or a landing page? Yes. Will they get as emotional as you personally talking to them? No. So you've got to get them extremely emotional, and that's why the demo is the best way to do it. The demo is the most important part of your sales process. If you don't have a good demo, if it's something where you don't have the right structure, you don't have the right delivery or the content, it's not going to work. You're not going to get people closed in the manner that you should. And if you do have the right demo, it's like magic. You know that they're going to succeed, and you know you are going to succeed because you can get people closed most of the time you talk to them. Now, if you want to make sure that your demos are ultimately impactful and you have a great demo, download my free guide. It's called The Ultimate Demo. You can get it right here. It's free. There's a link down below. Check that out. And you can get the ultimate demo that walks you through exactly how to structure your demos to make them completely converting machines. That way you won't have to understand how do I build it this way or what do I do here, or you won't just be unloading your product on your prospect. You'll have it structured in the exact right manner that's proven through science and experience, so you know it's going to work. So download that guide now. It's going to be super, super helpful. I put a lot of information in there for you. Now, if you like this, hit like. That way I'm going to know that this is something that's helpful and that I can do more like this. And make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss out on any other tips that I have coming up. I'm going to be bringing a lot of cool stuff for you. So hit that subscribe button and hit the bell that will notify you so that you know when something new is out. Thanks again for coming. I'll see you next time. Take care.